Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a digital frame. First, carefully unbox your new digital frame and plug it into an electrical outlet. Next, prepare your photos on a memory card, such as an SD card or a USB flash drive. Insert your chosen storage device into the frame's designated slot. Finally, power on the frame and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup process. This usually involves setting the language and time. Once your frame is set up, it's time to add your cherished memories. You can transfer photos directly from your computer or smartphone using a USB cable or by loading them onto a memory card. Many frames also offer cloud integration for seamless uploads. Take advantage of the frame's organizational features to create albums, making it simple to find specific collections of photos. Remember to regularly delete any unwanted images to maintain optimal storage. Personalizing your digital frame's display is easy and fun. You can adjust the slideshow speed from a quick 5-second rotation to a more leisurely 30-second view to match your preference. Explore the different transition effects, like fades or wipes, to add a dynamic touch to your photo presentation. Don't forget to optimize the display brightness and contrast settings for the best visual experience in your specific environment, whether it's a brightly lit living room or a cozy bedroom. Many digital frames offer advanced features to enhance your experience. Look for options like motion sensors, which activate the display when someone enters the room, or remote controls for convenient adjustments. You can also schedule your frame to power on and off automatically, saving energy and extending its lifespan. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping your frame updated with new photos will ensure it always brings a smile to your face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.